Alright, just remove this small black screw down here and one over here, same size, to remove this. This is connected to the, this has the speaker wire stuff going right here. Okay, hard to do stuff one hand. Okay, so I would like to remove all of this stuff here, but maybe it's easier to take the stuff from out here first. So I'm gonna start with this bar up here and just start removing all of these. I believe are 12 millimeters. Alright, so removing a few harnesses to the ignition, unplugging out these wires, this, and then this harness is routed underneath the steering, which makes it a little harder to re-drop this. Where's this harness for? So this went behind power tune digital dash. Make a note right now. Okay, this one goes to the power tune dash. Was routed up here. Ay, fucking shit wiring. How the fuck did you wrap it around? Then this, I figured out where this wire went to. Went up here to the GPS antenna, GPS here. Okay, so the blue, white, and yellow wires here, we're gonna find out where it goes to the original harness, because these are the left turn, right turn, and e-brake according to the labels from William from VIP when he made these connectors. So let's open up this wiring and take a look and see what's inside. Okay. Yeah, so this is no good, right? When you are making wiring like this, it's the cheapest way. And you can tell, look at all this damage that has been done to the wires. Probably can't see that. But those wires are frayed. So, yeah. Let's keep opening up these wires and take a look and see what the hell is going on here. wire goes to, oh, I see. This, no fucking wonder why there was a short. This black wire has a bunch of wires sticking out like that, and it's connecting all the way to that green and black. What does this black wire go to? Somewhere along to the ECU. So
yeah, omnipresent in entertainment contracts. Certainly it's very post-exposure. The fabrication clauses are relatively simple to describe. They're contractual commitment that no other relevant party will receive better or more advantageous terms from the party making the commitment. That makes sense. So if you and I were doing a show, we would have a favored nations deal where we both make the which is fair. So Kara, she probably didn't know that he was getting.
$12 millimeter, longer, with an impact wrench to remove these nuts. These are probably the M10 nuts, I'm guessing. That's when you get to remove all of this. Now we need to, now that we remove this 12, this 10, we need to go to the driver's side. Okay. Right now, to remove the rest of this, it's held up by the steering wheel column with a 14. Both sides. There's one on the other side as well, which you can't see in this view, but it's on the other side. Okay. That's the steering wheel column. We'll want to drop. Yeah, the bait here has no scent, so predators that may depend on the sense of smell have difficult finding young mother goes they survive for no, go to the top. Is that where it's from? That's it. What a fucking they got a fucking degree from Henderson. Okay, put the bolts back on. These are 14 millimeters, so I'm going to lose them. I will be putting them in the parts washer and cleaning them up as best as I can before I do the final install. So I'm trying to take this whole front rack, take off all the rust as you can see all around here, and get it painted and protected, as this is an attempt for a restoration. Gotta take care of this car, you know? My dream car. Hachiroku. I am a beginner. I don't know what I'm doing. I just understand that car is made of a lot of bolts. Let's see, what else do I need to remove? Okay, so looking at this, you can see this whole piece. It's not a whole single piece. It's welded together here in the middle. Oh shit, yep. Just pull it off once you got everything apart. One thing that's still holding on to this is the speed. Actually the clutch. What do you call it? The clutch spring. So this one. Okay. Now you should be able to pull this out that way, but let's see what other wires it's being held on by. There's some wires up here. Okay, that's off. A few of these other wires. This is for the stereo. I'm gonna want to take off that wire. Then I think that's all the wires that's connected to that whole thing. Alright. Oh shit, there's actually a lot more wires. Let's connect it to something. Okay, looks like that's just rusted. So ideally this thing should come out. You just push. Okay, yep, just push. It's a little rusty. Shit, got another throttle, the brake cable too. Just the throttle cable's not attached to that. Woo, yay, finally got this thing removed. Dude, I've been waiting to remove this thing forever. Look at how rusty that thing is. Woo.